video we're going to be looking at the three round functions: round up, round down, and round. And I provided a couple numbers and the number of digits that we will round to practice with, and so I can show you what these functions do. First, I want to point out the three functions: round up, round down, and round. Round up and round down are specific versions of round. Right here, I'm going to show you the difference between round and round up. They're very similar and quite frankly the same thing. And so, for example, if we did used our round function and we wanted to round this number to 2 decimal places. So we selected our number, and if we do comma, it'll ask for the number of digits. So we do 2, and we'll hit enter, and it's 1.59, which is accurate. We could have done that. And next, if we look at our round up function now, we'll go ahead and select the same number, put that comma in there, and specify the number of digits for 2. And so if we're rounding up, we end up with the same exact thing. And so for that reason, we're not going to focus on the round function. We're just going to be mainly focusing on the round up and the round down, since they are specific versions of the round function. So for this first one, what it's asking us is to round up the number and to round it to 3-digit places, or 3 decimal places. So we'll go ahead and enter in our round up function. Select our number. We'll do the comma, and now it's asking us for the number of digits. We'll do 3. You can also, you don't have to select a cell. So our answer is 1.59. Another way we could have done that is equals roundup. Go ahead and select your number, do the comma, and then you can manually enter the number of digits. That way you wouldn't have to have this column right here. So our answer before is 1.59. If we do this, we also have 1.59. All right, and going down to the next one, we'll do equals. This one's asking us to round up to 2 decimal places, or round down to 2 decimal places. So we'll do our round down function. Select the number you wish to round down, do a comma, and now select the number of digits or type it in. We'll go ahead and select it, hit enter, and it rounds down our number to 2 decimal places. Now what you'll see here is we're going to round to 0 decimal places, and so that should return a whole number. So we'll go ahead and round up. Do our number, select the number, do your comma, and you do not have to select the number of digits if it's 0. So after our comma, we can just hit enter, and it will return that number for us. Now for the next one, round down our number, so equals round down, select the number, do your comma, and it's only to 1 decimal place. There we have it. And then we'll commence further. This one's asking us to round up to 3 decimal places. Use your roundup function, select the number, do a comma, and then select the number of digits. There we go. And once again, we're using the roundup function. This time we're only rounding to 1 decimal place. So first select your number, do your comma, and then select the number of digits. I'll go ahead and enter manually just so you can see that once more. So this time it's asking for 1 decimal place. So we'll do 1. There's our number. And finally, we're going back to a round down function. So we will select our number, do the comma, and once again I'll manually input it. We're doing 2 decimal places. We hit enter, and we have our final answer right there. So once again, this is just a summary on the difference mainly between the roundup function and the round down function. I hope this helps you guys. Have a nice day.